Question we received from YouTube this time is someone wanted to know how to start a NC program in the middle of the program where we don't have to add any information or we don't have to start on any specific line in the program. With Hurco's Recovery Restart, we can actually begin on any line, any move in the program, and it will then look above that in the program to buffer any kind of cutter compensation that happens to be active at that point in the program or should have been active by then, coolant condition, the spindle, what tool is in the spindle, things like that, spindle speed. So the way we would do that is we're going to go to the auto button. So we're going to hit auto just like we normally would to start a program, but instead of going directly to run program, we're going to click on Recovery Restart. Recovery Restart will allow us to navigate through the program, put our cursor on any line, and this one I'm going to start here on this G3 line, and select a set restart marker. There's many other things we can do on this screen. As you'll see, there's a lot of soft keys here we could select, but for doing what we specifically came here to show, we're going to select set restart marker. That's going to put this little R next to that line in the program for the restart. Now this is a one-shot command. Once we get to the end of the program at the M30, it's going to rewind back to the top just as if we didn't do anything. So this is only going to be for this first time, and from now on when we hit cycle start, it would start at the beginning of the program. We can set start and end markers if we want to keep those going. For example, we had a bunch of rework that we had to do on some parts. We could then put a start marker and an end marker to just run that section of the program over and over and over again until we clear those. Again, restart marker is a one-shot command. So now that I've hit the set restart marker and I have my R, I'm just going to go down here and hit the run program, and then I would hit the cycle start. You'll see on my graphics here that we started right in the middle of the word Hurco on that G3 or that counterclockwise arc for the U. And then it continues on. Once it is ended at the M30, then it would jump back up to the top of the program and it would begin the next part just like we never did that. So that's how we would start in the middle of a G-code program using Recovery Restart.